If you want to have a jaw angle in the fastest time, this video is for you. Stimulate your facial muscles with just 5 exercises to have an attractive face. First we have to prepare the face for the exercises. Say the word O. 15 seconds is enough. Say the word E. 15 seconds is enough. Say the word I. 15 seconds is enough. Your face is ready for the main exercises. With your mouth closed like my mouth, raise your chin. 3 sets of 10 seconds. With one click you can help me a lot. Please like the video. Hold your hands and move your head back and forth with your neck movements. 2 sets of 10 seconds. Make your mouth like a fish's mouth. And try to say O using all your facial muscles. 2 sets of 10 seconds. Fill your cheeks with the wind and change after 5 seconds. 10 time. 5 seconds each time. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. We are human with any race.